Hey, Faceless family, welcome to Debt Busters. Today's video reveals the secrets to starting a great YouTube channel and earning money in 2023. You've come to the right spot if you've ever wanted to make a living by sharing your passions, talents, or knowledge. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and optimizing your YouTube channel, ensuring you have the tools and tactics needed to survive in this digital era. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Remember that to begin directly monetizing your channel, you must have either 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last year, or 1,000 subscribers with 10 million legitimate public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you've done this, YouTube will share 55% of your AdSense money with you while keeping 45% for themselves. Go to the YouTube studio and review your channel analytics section to keep track of your earnings. Going there, you can assess your earnings and obtain valuable insights into your success. Let's start with making your own YouTube channel, step by step. Generally speaking, most channels either educate or entertain their viewers. You'll need an idea of what topics you're going to discuss on your channel. That catalog of topics is called your niche. Niche selection is very important and will ultimately decide how much money you earn on YouTube. For goodness sake, please don't do gaming. Gaming is the most competitive and among the least profitable niches on the platform. The odds of failure in this niche are astronomical. When choosing a niche, it's important to ask yourself what you're passionate about and have a wide array of knowledge about. You don't have to be a professor or anything. Just ask yourself, what is a skill that you know a little more than other people about? If there are multiple things that you're knowledgeable about or passionate about, ask yourself what topic you can make 100 videos about without getting bored. That topic should be your niche. After deciding on a niche, you'll need a Gmail account. We recommend creating a new one, particularly for your YouTube channel, to keep everything organized and distinct from your personal email. Go to the sign-up page and complete all the required information, including your preferred username and password. This dedicated account will aid in streamlining your YouTube experience and ensuring efficiency as you embark on your content-producing journey. You can begin developing your YouTube channel once you've set up your Gmail account. You might already have a YouTube channel and think that it's a good idea to start a second YouTube channel under the same email as the first. I would advise against that. The reason is for copyright claims and strikes. Judging from my most popular videos, some of you seem to get into copyright trouble quite a bit. YouTube imposes copyright strikes on your Google account, not just your YouTube channel. So if you have 3 channels on the same Google account and each gets 1 copyright strike, your Google account will be banned from YouTube and you'll lose all 3 channels. Check the card on your screen for more information on copyright strikes and claims. After you've set up your Gmail account, you can sign in to YouTube with that account. Go to the YouTube website and click the sign in option. Enter your Gmail address and password to access your YouTube account. It's now time to start building your channel. Navigate to the Create Channel area to give your channel a name. This name should reflect the content you intend to convey and be appealing to your target audience. Take your time to develop a clever and memorable name that reflects your channel's identity. In the YouTube studio, navigate the customization choices, particularly the basic info area. This is where you can modify the name of your channel. It is critical to have an enticing name that will immediately capture the attention of your viewers and create a lasting impression. If you can't think of a name for your channel, you can use ChatGPT to help you think of one. You can prompt ChatGPT with something like, "Please give me 10 YouTube channel names for a channel in the productivity hacks niche," or whatever niche you choose. You can pick one of the names it gives you, or simply draw inspiration from those names and come up with your own. You can also enter your email address, allowing people to contact you if necessary. You're ready to go once you've completed all the required details in the basic info section. Click the publish button and you're done. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. The branding feature can be found under the customization choices. This is where you may upload your channel's profile photo to represent your brand visually. Choose an image that is eye-catching and relevant to your material, as this will assist users in recognizing your channel. You can also create a burner picture, which you can do with tools like Canva or any other image editing software you choose. A burner picture is a banner or header that spans the top of your channel page, allowing you to exhibit your distinct style and identity. Let's look at using Canva to create your burner picture. According to their website, Canva is a free-to-use online graphic design tool used to create social media posts, presentations, posters, videos, logos, and more. To begin, click the link in the description to open Canva and search for YouTube channel art. This will provide you with various templates made exclusively for YouTube channels. Browse the library for a template matching your channel's theme and style. When you've selected the perfect template, click it to start the design process. Canva offers an extensive library of free stock videos, photographs, images, GIFs, and illustrations. Look at the many features, such as stickers, shapes, speech bubbles, and other innovative components. Drag and drop the desired items into your design canvas. You may add graphics, photos, or videos to your design to make it even more unique. Now here is a quick tip. When it comes to customizing, the unlimited possibilities allow you to create a banner that exactly symbolizes you and your channel. A few critical factors should be considered when constructing your YouTube banner. To begin, incorporate your brand's tagline and slogan to portray your channel's distinct identity and message. Furthermore, give viewers a preview of what they may expect from your content, giving them a taste of what makes your channel unique. Include your logo, if applicable, to boost your brand's visibility. Ensure your banner has high-quality photos that are visually appealing and catch the viewer's attention. Make sure any text on the banner is readable and clear, and choose fonts and colors that complement your overall style. Finally, incorporate a call to action encouraging people to visit your channel and learn more. A well-designed YouTube banner balances eye-catching images with a clean, simple layout. Its goal is to pique viewers' interest and urge them to interact with your channel. Combining these features, you can build a banner that reflects your channel and entices viewers for more. Save your burner image to your computer when you're done making it. Look for the download option in your design tool and save the picture file. Return to the YouTube studio once you've completed the image file. Uploading your burner image is available in the branding area. Select the image file from your computer by clicking the upload button. Check that the image is properly positioned and appealing within the allotted space. When you're finished editing the branding area and have uploaded your burner image, it's time to move on. To make your modifications live on your YouTube channel, click the Publish button. Your channel now has a fascinating burner image that symbolizes your brand and draws the attention of your viewers. You can make significant changes to your channel by visiting the Options area. One such change is selecting the category that best represents your channel's content. This enhances discoverability and helps people understand what your channel is about. You can also customize your video's language, ensuring they reach their intended audience. After you've made your choices, remember to click the Save button to save the changes. These basic but essential changes to your channel's settings will increase its exposure and accessibility, making it easier for viewers to locate and interact with your content. You must validate your phone number in the Settings area to prevent certain limitations. Verifying your phone number contributes to the safety and validity of your YouTube channel. Without authentication, you may suffer limitations such as video duration limits. You can unlock extra features and benefits by supplying and validating your phone number, allowing you to fully leverage your channel's potential. You may use AI tools like InVideo to streamline your workflow and simplify video making. You can use VidIQ for content recommendations, ChatGPT to generate scripts, and InVideo to automate video editing. InVideo allows users the ability to create videos with little more than a script. They even offer text-to-speech capabilities, making it a one-stop shop for your content creation needs. It's a helpful alternative for creators who wish to maintain a professional appearance while saving time. Click our link in the description to try InVideo for free. No credit card required. You may save time and effort by utilizing AI technology, allowing you to focus more on developing engaging and high-quality content for your viewers. Now, let's look at some basic ways to make money on YouTube. Ad revenue is one typical approach. You can monetize your channel as it expands and satisfies the appropriate criteria. YouTube pays you a percentage of AdSense revenue when visitors watch or click on ads in your videos. Sponsored videos are another way to make money. As your channel grows in popularity, sponsors may approach you to promote their products or services in your videos. You can negotiate sponsored deals featuring or evaluating products relevant to your niche. This type of collaboration allows you to earn money while giving value to your audience. Affiliate marketing is another popular technique to make money on YouTube. Joining affiliate programs will enable you to earn a reward for recommending products or services and driving purchases through unique affiliate links. For example, if your channel is about fitness, you could recommend workout equipment or training programs and receive a fee when viewers buy through your links. Additionally, selling items might be a profitable choice. As your fan base expands, you can provide branded stuff such as shirts, accessories, or digital products. This not only allows your viewers to support you directly, but it also functions as a promotion for your channel. Finally, YouTube has a membership function that allows your users to become channel members by paying a monthly fee. Users can exchange special benefits such as behind-the-scenes information, badges, and live chat capabilities. Channel memberships can provide a constant source of cash, while also fostering a loyal network of supporters. These examples show the different ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. You can turn your YouTube passion into a sustainable source of income by continually delivering value, engaging with your audience, and experimenting with multiple revenue streams. Additionally, consistency is essential when you begin your YouTube monetization path. Maintaining a consistent schedule and uploading videos regularly can help you establish a devoted audience. Viewers are more likely to return and engage with your videos if they know when to expect new content from you. Consistency also shows your commitment to offering great material, which can increase subscriber numbers and overall channel growth. In 2023, content creators will have the chance to earn money by starting a YouTube channel. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to create a YouTube channel and earn money in 2023. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing how to add subtitles to a video using AI tools. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how to add subtitles to a video using AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.